Okay, we're going to install this now and finish up this project. I've had this covered with plastic, and in this case right now my light is off, so this is going to have to be in this position to grab that toggle switch. So let's see what happens here. I really don't know how this is going to plug in, but let's see. Did it move the switch up? And it did. Did it shut the switch off? And it did. So we're in good shape. So it looks like we're going to need a screw in each corner here, and I'm hoping this is going to fit fine. There's only going to be one way we're going to find out, and it's to put this in place. So, yep, it's going to be perfect. Let's get this started. Okay. We'll get all of them started. At least the two on the left for now. Here you are. We'll put the left side on to start with. Now if we take a look at this side, there's our plug. No dressing needed on that, okay? Let's tighten this up a little bit more. And then we'll put our screws on the right-hand side. Okay? There we go. Right in here. Of course I drop it. I had to bet money on that. Where to bet the money? But we'll find it. There we go. We'll get it in here. There we are. That's 3 out of 4. And let's find that one we dropped, which is right here. If we got 3 of them lined up, oh, come on. Keeps jumping out of my hand. If we've got 3 of them lined up, that means the 4th one's got to be fine. I'll put that in. Yep, and that's going in. Now I don't have to worry about this out here being in the weather with a plastic bag over it. Which, yeah, it was kind of stupid, but it's all I had. I can see the gasket compressing, so I know I'm in the right spot right now with this. Come on. And that's how that switch works. On, off. Don't have to touch it anymore with wet hands. Gotta keep getting this until it's all tight. The gasket is making a good watertight seal. Looking good. Yeah. We're going to say that side's buttoned up. This side's good. And this last screw here, how's this feel? Okay, now, somewhere around here we have to put this on-off switch sticker. Oh, I guess it breaks in half. On. Hey, make it no. We'll make it on. This one on top is going to be on up here. Oh well, on. And underneath will be off. And it's going to be crooked for life now. That'll drive a lot of people crazy, but I don't care. I'm only putting this on just to put it on anyway. You can't even get this one off. No pun intended. Nope. Can't even get it off of there, so it doesn't even matter. Right, so on, obviously the opposite of that is going to be off. So that's a good look at it. There's that plug inside. Nicely sealed with all the gasketing material on there. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching.